Played in field. And it's opened up here. Oh, it's in. And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Striker's ball. What a well-timed tackle. The defender's back on the ball. Oh, he did really well there. And that will be the goalkeeper's ball then. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. And we're entering stoppage time now. Throw taken long. Well cut out. And there's the half-time whistle. They're winning at the halfway stage. Can they see out the rest of the game? That one has gone out of play. No cards yet from the referee. Long throw there. Lovely passing here. That's nicely played. Lukaku. Great chance here. This team look eager for more goals. Now Lukaku. I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. Forward from the keeper. Played in field. Striker's ball. And it's opened up here. Oh, nice finish there. And this is a world-class finish. The score is 4-1 now. Some lovely football played here today. Defender then back on the ball. Oh, determined challenge there. Striker's ball. Oh, it's a clear chance. Inches away from goal. It'll be interesting to see how close that actually was. It looked like it was going in. The assistant's kept his flag down, he's onside. What a chance! Pulls the trigger. Good block there. Can they make it count? Not a great challenge. Surely the cards are coming out here. Actually, it looks like a telling off. And he'll have to be careful. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Well timed and good defending. Oh, he's onside here. Shoots! Will be disappointed with that effort. The court official is indicating 3 minutes of stoppage time. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. And there's the full time.